Rodrigo Roa Duterte,
do solemnly swear
that
I will faithfully
and conscientiously
fulfill my duties as President
as
of the
President
Philippines.
of the Philippines. So help me God. I'd like to name publicly General Marcelo Garbo. He was a protector of the drug syndicates. General Vicente Luo, General Diaz, General Pagdilao, General Pino. At this time, I ordered them relieved from their assignment. I was elected to the presidency to serve the entire country. I was not elected to serve the interest of any person or any group or any one class. I serve everyone and not only one. My job is to bring peace. But hand in hand, I must also bring order in my country.
On duty na ang mahigit sa 300 na unang batch ng Philippine National Police Special Action Force na magbabantay sa New Bilibid Prison. Unti-unti ang gagawing pagpalit ng soft troopers sa may 900 gwardya sa NBP.
Sa bungod pa lang ng New Bilibid Prison, mga naka-full battle gear na Special Action Force o SAF ang nagbabando ng main gate ng Pitan. Pumasok rin ang 2 armored personnel carrier ng PNP.
Abusado, tamad at sindikatong pulis. Bilang na ang mga araw ninyo.
Lumantad na ang mga pulis na isinuplong ng 3 tulak ng droga na sumuko mismo kay PNP Director General Ronald Bato.
million Filipinos with drugs. The most popular substance being abused in the country is still shabu. It is methamphetamine.
Ang pagbubukas ng gate ay tanda ng pagtanggal ng harang sa pagitan ng ahensya at ng mga magsasaka.
As Chief PNP, we now have 911 as the nationwide emergency response number. Palakpakan po natin yung PNP.
Sabi, kailangan ito infrastructure kasi matagal na kami infrastructure. We will allocate something like 800 billion for infrastructure projects. Tututukan din namin ng education. Siguro na kalahating trillion sa education.
Wow!
Senyor, about half a billion and it will be released soon. Ayaw ko yung corruption. Half a billion pesos. Ang pera na yan, gagamitin talaga sa tamang paraan. My promise to the people of the nation is that it will be a clean government. Hindi tayo exempted. Yung pera ng tao. Ayaw ko yung itataya kong buhay namin. Binigay mo niyo buhay ninyo sa bayan ninyo. The least that we can do, the bayan, the country through me, will give you what you want. State of the art. In this country, there is trouble everywhere. There's corruption, there's criminality, and the flooding of drugs. We have to protect the children. We have to end crime. And I said, drugs must be suppressed. I can tell you now that I will provide leadership. And leadership, I will do it.